friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sambit. Today I'm going to show you how to make crunchy crispy nuts with chocolates. So let's see how to make it. This is malt dark compound. This is the dark chocolate compound. First I will cut the packets and take out chocolate from this packet. See, this is pure dark chocolate. If you want to buy, you can buy from the market or online also. This color is black because this is dark chocolate. First we have to chopped this chocolate. This too hard, so if I chop this chocolate, so easily this can be melt. I chop like this and I'll put in a bowl. Remember one thing, we cannot heat the chocolate directly. First we have to take a pan, then we have to put some water in that pan, and this bowl I will put on that pan, so it will melt by the steam. See how is it? I take a pan and pour some water like this, then I heat the pan, and this bowl I put top of that pan. Now we have to stir like this, otherwise it can be burned. After 2-3 minutes it will start melting. We have to stir continuously. And this is the crunchy crispy nuts. If you want to see this recipe, you can go through by my video description. I'll put this recipe in my channel. This is my melted chocolates, and these crispy crunchy nuts I will mix with these chocolates. I'll put some nuts. This actually caramelized nuts also we can call. Now I will mix nicely. It is very tasty and very crunchy. I put little bit more nuts. If you take 400 grams chocolate compound, so you can make at least 40 to 50 cubes. Now my batter is ready. I will take, this is the silicone chocolate mold. I will fill the all molds with the chocolates with nuts. Like this I will fill all the molds. After that I will keep in the normal fridge this mold tray for 30 minutes. After fill this, we have to tap 2-3 times. Tap like this, so it can be set. See, now my chocolate is set perfectly. Now I'll put in the fridge. See, I finished all the chocolates. After 30 minutes I take out from the fridge. Now my chocolate is ready to unmold. So now I'll unmold. Just press like this, easily it will come out from the mold. This is very sharp and very glazy. we can keep these chocolates in the airtight container, and we can keep like 30 days. This is very crispy and very healthy. Those people has diabetic, they are also can have this because this is made by dark chocolate. Little bit chocolate also I put some in my ice mold, so just press like this. This is plastic ice mold, just press like this, it will come out easily. Now you can make your chocolate in your home only, so it is very tasteful. See how glazy is it. This is called crunchy crispy chocolates. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.